Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level grammar lesson. We're going to be working with prepositions with time, at, on, and in. Alright, so here we have some specific time, specific day or date, or a period of time. So 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock, January 14th, 2012, Sunday, 2018, and winter. We use at with a specific time of the day. So the bank closes at 6 o'clock. Don't be late. The meeting starts at 3 p.m. Let's meet at the cafe at noon. We'll talk about it at dinner time. We use on with days of the week and dates. He has tennis practice on Tuesday. Christmas is on the 25th of December. Our weekly meeting is on Monday at 8 a.m. My birthday is on the 2nd of August. We use in with longer periods of time, like months, seasons, years, centuries. My son starts school in September. In Australia, the weather gets colder in June, July, and August. English is important for many people in the 21st century, and the swimming pool is closed in winter. So again, just to review, at 7 o'clock, at 9 p.m., at 6:45 a.m., on Thursday, on the 22nd of November, on Saturdays, in spring, in 2010, in the 16th century. Now choose which preposition is correct. You can pause the video and write down your answers and then restart when you're ready to check. So I leave the house at 7 a.m. Jenny goes to yoga on Saturday. My dog loves to go to the park in summer. We need to be at the airport at 4 p.m. It sometimes snows in my city in winter. Are you coming to the party on Friday? Again, you're going to fill in the gaps with at, on, or in. Pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. The supermarket opens at 10 a.m. I was born in 1992. Paul often goes to the beach in the summer. We have a test on Friday. Robert goes to the gym on Tuesday and Thursday. Ryan and Sally are going to a restaurant at 8 p.m. tonight. So again, we use at with specific or exact time. At 5 a.m., at 8 o'clock, at 10 minutes past 6, at 4 o'clock, at 7:45 p.m. We use on with days and dates. On Wednesday, on weekends, on the 3rd of February, on my birthday, on Monday morning. And we use in for longer periods of time. In 2006, in fall, in May and June, in the 20th century, in the Middle Ages. We use at and on with holidays. We say at Christmas, so at Christmas time, but on Christmas Day. At Easter would mean at Easter time, but on Good Friday and on Easter Monday. All right, again, you're going to fill in the gaps with at, on, or in. You can pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. On Monday, in winter, on my birthday, in 1980, on the 23rd of May, at 2:45, on Sundays, in the Stone Age, and in the 19th century. On the 1st of January, in 1963, on Saturday, on August 24th, at 5 o'clock, at 6:45, in spring, in 1530. Now you can use these to put them together to make some sentences. So the concert starts at 8 p.m. tonight. So try these on your own, and there might be several answers that are possible, but try them on your own and then restart, and we'll check off some possible answers. Okay, there were no cars in the 18th century. I was born on the 24th of February 1994. The meeting is this afternoon at 4:30. It is always very hot here in summer, and I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. I have my piano lesson at 4 p.m. on Thursday. New Year's Day is on the 1st of January. My parents got married in 1984. Most people don't work on Sunday, and I usually eat lunch at noon. So try and answer these questions about yourself. What time do you go to bed? When do you have English lessons? What time do you wake up most days? And what time do you usually eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Again, you'll fill in the gaps with at, on, or in. You can pause the video and write down your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. Our house is very quiet at night. We can go to the restaurant on Saturday. I always go camping in spring and summer. I cannot talk at the moment because I am busy. The meeting is at 4 p.m. on the 3rd of January. When I was a child, my parents always gave me chocolate eggs at Easter. Either at or on. This one, if you mean at Easter time, then you could say at. If you actually mean on Easter Sunday, then you can use on. All right, so in American English, we generally say on the weekend. I never work on the weekend. But in British English, they generally say at the weekend. So I never work at the weekend. And remember, we use on for days. I start work at 9 a.m. on Monday. But these are some exceptions. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. So night is an exception. We use night. We use at instead of in. Again, fill in the gaps with the correct preposition and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So he works on the weekend, or if you're speaking British English, it would be at the weekend. Some people find it difficult to sleep at night. I live in New York at the moment, but I always go home on Christmas. Or we could also say at Christmas if you mean at Christmas time. This year I want to have a party on my birthday. I have to go now. I will see you in the morning. Let's get a taxi. The plane leaves at 10:30 a.m. and it's already 9 a.m. Do you want to go to the cinema on Friday night? I never exercise in the morning. I prefer to exercise in the afternoon or at night. Now look at these specific times and dates and longer periods of time and try to make a sentence about each one. And you can pause the video and do that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to continue. Same thing here. Again, make some complete sentences for each of these items using at, on, or in. And now you can make some sentences by matching. My mother often goes to church on Sunday. I often go running in the park at the weekend. Queen Elizabeth was born on April 21st, 1926. And my parents always go to their favorite restaurant on their anniversary. I have an exam tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. Many people around the world give presents at Christmas. And the author Ray Bradbury died in 2012. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.